Picture this. There's a huge tragedy within your organization. Social media is blowing up, and your phone's lighting up like a Christmas tree in July. Because let's face it, employees want answers. In moments like that, your team doesn't need a hero, they need a communicator. Let's talk about how to lead through chaos with calm, clarity, and credibility. When crisis hits, most organizations fail not because of the crisis itself, but because of how they talk about it. People don't expect perfection. They expect honesty, direction, and a leader who doesn't look like they're about to join the witness protection program. So here are 5 rules of crisis communication. Number 1, respond fast, even if you don't have all the answers. Silence breeds panic. It's okay to say, we're assessing the situation, and here's what we know so far. Number 2, be honest, even when it's ugly. Employees and the public can handle bad news. What they can't handle is spin. Transparency builds trust, even when the truth is tough. Number 3, speak with one voice. Mixed messages make leadership look uncoordinated. Pick a spokesperson, align the message, and stay consistent across all platforms. Number 4, show empathy before expertise. Start with people. I know this is stressful for everyone. It goes a long way before you talk about logistics or policy. And number 5, own the follow-up. After the dust settles, debrief with your team. What went right, what went wrong, and what will change next time. Leaders who reflect improve. What's most important about leaders who utilize these strategies is that they are simultaneously used in concert with one another. As quickly as you want to get the message out, you also want to make sure that it is done with the most appropriate person of authority within the organization. Honesty does not mean spilling sensitive information that may compromise resolution. And don't try to express empathy in a way where you make yourself a part of the tragedy, if you really weren't impacted. We hope a tragedy never happens, but we always want to prepare for one. And so if you're ever faced with a crisis, big or small within your organization, don't aim to sound perfect, aim to sound present. Your team needs information, direction, and a reason to stay confident when everything feels uncertain. Communicate early, often, and honestly. Because in a crisis, your words aren't just information, they're oxygen. And that's your 3-minute brief. As always, subscribe for more leadership strategies. Share this with someone who's ever had to put out fires, literally or figuratively, and drop a comment. What's the biggest communication mistake you've seen during a crisis? I'll see you on the next one.